My name's Alicia, and I'm here to tell you about your brain. So, starting off, we're going to talk about your frontal lobe. So, the frontal lobe is obviously the front of your brain, and it deals with thinking, reasoning, judgment, decision-making, learning and recalling information, and voluntary muscle movements. Moving on, we have your parietal lobe. So your parietal lobe is dealing with your sensory perception, cognition, speech, and writing. And moving on, we have your temporal lobe. The temporal lobe deals with object and face recognition, memory storage, language understanding and expression, and emotional reactions and processing. Moving on, we have your occipital lobe. Your occipital lobe deals with spatial processing, color processing, distance and depth perception, and object and face recognition. Moving on, we have your cerebellum. The cerebellum deals with motor learning, sense of body position, balance and equilibrium, and fine movement coordination. Moving on to the middle of the brain, we have your limbic system. The limbic system mainly processes and regulates learning and memory, the main parts being the septum, hypothalamus, amygdala, hippocampus, and thalamus. Moving on to the endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of all your body's hormones, and it regulates biological processes from conception to adulthood. Both male and female have the parathyroid gland, the adrenal gland, and the pancreas, along with the pineal gland and the pituitary gland. Women have ovaries and men have testes. Moving on, we're going to talk about the neuron. The neurons are cells that send motor commands and messages from the brain to the body through the spinal cord. And that's it. Thanks for learning about the brain.